to a split screen to make your first decision. Would you like to build your own site? Or would you like Aida, our artificial intelligence design assistant, to build your site automatically? Let's have your site automatically built for you with artificial intelligence. First, you just need to type in the kind of website you are creating or type of business you have. Then click Next. Now you need to name your website. Don't worry about this too much at the beginning because this can be changed at any time. So let's enter Getting Started PR Agency and click Next to continue. Is e-commerce an essential component to your business and website? If so, simply check the box. Since you are creating a site for your PR agency in this example, you will not be checking the box before clicking Next. Okay, now it's time to enter some important information. If you have a logo, you can upload it here by simply clicking the Upload Logo icon and then selecting the file from your hard drive. And then fill in your remaining information, including your company name, phone number, email, and address. When this is complete, click Next. Now click the Start button to see your website created right before your eyes. Everything that you are seeing on the screen is automated. Your site is being built for you. Okay, now your site is ready. You can edit your site as much or as little as you like. And guess what? All of the images that you see are yours to use for free. From here, you can get your site's domain or you can upgrade to a pro account.